Hello guys, I am back with another video. It is nighttime again. Today is May the 14th. And I will be telling you your vampire symptoms, your wolf symptoms. We're gonna start with vampire symptoms. You'll start having major headaches like every day. It'd get really hot when you get in the sun, but your headaches would be like when you get in the sun, they'd be like you're about to die, like you're shaking when you get in the sun, and you'll start to get red in the sun, like really red, and start to burn a little bit and get sunburns and stuff really bad, like your skin's starting to peel off like that, and your teeth will get sharper. You'll not want to go to sleep at day. You'll want to stay up at night. You'll sleep all day, stay up at night. So you'll be really fast. Like if you're in track or anything, you'll be super duper fast. You'll start to get pale. Like you'd start shading, shading lighter and lighter. And your ears would start to kind of point, kind of like elf ears, but start to point like that. Your eyes kind of start to get red, like on the outside, because you have been awake. But they start to you start to get your hurts, like where your teeth would grow and like your jaw hurts. And yeah. Your wolf symptoms are way easier to explain. Oh my god. My cousin, Sophie, if you're watching this right now, this is to you. Sophie is a werewolf. We were doing a spell and it actually worked for her. So, and the vampire spell is... I'll tell those spells at the end, okay? But the wolf symptoms, same thing, but y'all all think vampires have sharp teeth down here and sharp teeth down here. No, they do not. That is a canine tooth. Vampires only have sharp teeth up here. So what y'all talking about? They have sharp teeth down there, but your fangs will start to get sharp down here and up here instead of just up here. Your eyes and your senses will start to get louder where you can hear stuff really far away and see stuff really far away. You'll be fast, and you'll start to be really hairy, like your arms and your legs will start to get really hairy. You might get a little hair on the back of your neck, your back and stuff, and your legs and ankles, and your eyes will start to turn a bit yellowish color. And okay, that light is bright. And you'll when somebody makes you mad, you'd start your fangs would start to come out. You'd do this, and you'd start to kind of turn into a wolf, kind of like your eyes and your fangs, but not all the way symptoms. Your fangs would be coming out, and you'd be growling a lot. And yeah. And I'm going to tell you the spells in the next video. I'm just trying to help you, if you're, wannabe. I'm telling you in this video what your symptoms are. And in the next video, scroll to the next video. Hey. I'm making a video now. Shoot. And, scroll to the next video. Hit that like button. Okay. I bet you cannot lick your elbow, which I cannot do. I can't even reach my elbow. I can touch it, but if you can lick your elbow while trying to press the light bulb with your nose, bet you can't do it. But peace out. To the next video. Like that button. You already know how. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and hope y'all enjoy.
Anyway.